Hello everyone, welcome to Lane Guitar. This is Varun. In this tutorial video we will see how to play the song Orumanam Nikke Chollude from the Tamil movie Dhruva Natchatram, and I hope you can learn this song by seeing this tutorial video. So keep on learning. So note will start from this position, which is 14th fret in the first string, that is F sharp, and 16th fret in first string, that is G sharp. So F sharp, G sharp and E. So that is Orumanam. Orumanam Nikke Chollude is having three notes, F sharp, G sharp and E. And for Orumanam, that is F sharp and G sharp. So F sharp, G sharp, F sharp, G sharp, and then Nikke Chollude is F sharp and E. So this is Orumanam Nikke Chollude. And second Orumanam is slightly different. Slight variation at the ending part. So that is F sharp, G sharp, F sharp, G sharp, then F sharp, E. And second one is F sharp, G sharp, F sharp, G sharp, then E, G sharp, F sharp. So this is first one. Second one is, that is F sharp, G sharp, F sharp, G sharp, then E, then G sharp, F sharp. So and next part is that is C sharp, D sharp and E. These three notes are coming, C sharp, D sharp and E. So all these notes are in the first string itself. So C sharp, D sharp, E. Ene Vittal, I don't know exactly what lyrics of the song. So this is C sharp, D sharp, E, D sharp, E. So C sharp, D sharp. So C sharp, D sharp, E, D sharp, E. And next one is Urangade. So that is in the second string. So second string, this note is G sharp. So G sharp, A, B, and in first string C sharp and D. So that is G sharp, A, B, and in first string this is C sharp and slightly touching to this note, that is D. So C sharp, D, C sharp, B. So once again I will play all the notes. So this is first one, and second one is, and next part is, and last part is. So we are playing this part 2 times, and after that, so this is B, E, F sharp, G. So you can play B here. So first string, this is B. So first string, 7th fret is actually B, but I think you can play in the second string, which will be more comfort while you play this song. So second string 12th fret is B and first string 12th fret is E. So both these notes are coming. So B, E. So same fret in first and second. So I think this will be convenient for you to play. So B, E. So B, E, F sharp, G sharp. So B, E, F sharp, E. That manam is again F sharp and G sharp. So second part is manam and second one is. So second one is this one. So that note is actually so this is F sharp, G sharp and B and A. So B and A is coming. So this is B and this is A. Okay, and next part is in Anbe Ayiram, that is, so this is G sharp A, in Anbe is G sharp A, G sharp. So in Anbe Ayiram, that is G sharp A, G sharp, F sharp E, F sharp. So G sharp A, G sharp, F sharp E, F sharp. So in Anbe Ayiram, so next part is, so this note is actually D sharp E, D sharp, C sharp, B. So D sharp, E, D sharp, C sharp and B. And again this two note additionally coming in that second part, that is E and F sharp. Rest of things are same. So it will be and again so rest of thing we already learned. So keep on learning. Thank you.